Hey guys, this new listing is for my Richland Center friends. All right, we got 36.8 acres. All right, in the township of Dayton. It's about 10-15 minutes from Richland Center, probably 5-7 minutes south of Boaz. Beautiful, iconic setting back here. I'll just give you guys a little taste of the house. Beautiful yard. Huge 30 by 70 pole shed. All right, pines planted all in the front yard here. It's got some CRP. I'll get the details on that coming out. That's directly behind me. That's all wildflowers and pasture mix. Beautiful in the spring. It's going to bloom up here really soon. The other side here, you're going to see a lot of apple trees. Another pasture area, except there's no cattle out here or anything, just existing pasture. It's just been very well maintained. And right back over there is a nice drainage pond. Beautifully located, easy to get to. It's dammed, but the dam isn't registered. It's a very small dam, holds water, perfect for the wildlife. Wait till you see the pictures on this one. I found some giant rubs on a couple of cedar trees back in this far back draw. And then there's another flat, which you won't be able to see here, but you'll see from my drone photos over my shoulder back there behind my truck. They planted some more pines back there and some white and red oak. So that will be coming up. It's already fully established, but it's going to take another 20 years before you see anything off of those oak trees for sure. But another perfect spot for a food plot. Listing's going to be coming up real soon, first week of May. Keep an eye out. Check the videos out. Hit up Bob Clyde Realtor Facebook page. And if you guys got any questions, want more details, whatever the case may be, send me a message, hit me up, send me a text, email, whatever. This is going to go quick, guys. Ranch house, about 3,300 square feet. Secluded, but close to town. Check out the video, 608-495-0071. Send me a text, I'll get you some info. Check it out, guys.